Here are some distinguishing features of salamanders that can help with identification. 1. Long, slender body. Salamanders have a long, slender body with a tail that makes up about half of the total length. 2. Smooth, moist skin. Salamanders have smooth, moist skin that is permeable to water and allows for gas exchange. 3. Forelegs. Salamanders have 4 legs, each with 4 toes. 4. External gills. Some species of salamanders have external gills, which are feathery structures on the sides of their heads that are used for respiration. 5. Lack of claws. Unlike lizards and other reptiles, salamanders do not have claws on their toes. 6. Bright coloration. Some species of salamanders have bright and distinctive coloration, which can be used to identify them. For example, the red EFT stage of the eastern newt is bright orange-red with black spots. 7. Presence of parotoid glands. Some species of salamanders have parotoid glands, which are large glands located behind their eyes that secrete toxins to deter predators.